Hello guys, my name is Shaima. So today I will show you how to clear your browsing data. Okay, since AiHouse are using browser, so you need to clear cache to free some space a bit to prevent any bugs occur. Okay, for example, when you click customize buttons, okay, any function from here, then a few buttons is missing out. Okay, and then the buttons won't come out. If you click refresh page, you need to clear your browsing data. Okay, for example, I go to library and drag some texture. Okay, see, the texture won't come out. Okay, so this is one of the bugs. Okay, if you are experiencing this kind of bug, you need to clear cache. Okay, so now I'm using Google Chrome. Okay, you can click three dots up here. Okay, three dots up here. Then go to history. Okay, go to clear browsing data. Okay, time range, change to all time. Okay, change time range to all time. Then click clear data. Okay, clear data. Right, so once you have cleared your data, you need to open a new tab and log in back. Okay, log in back. Alright, so we also suggest you to open one tab at a time. Do not open too many tabs up here. Okay, so this one is a Google Chrome. Okay, if you're using Firefox, it's here. This one is Firefox. You can click three lines up here. You go to history. Okay, clear recent history. This one. Okay, so time range, change to everything. Okay, time range, change to everything. Click OK. Okay, same thing. Once you clear everything, you need to open a new tab and log in again. Okay, log into AiHouse again. Okay, so this is Firefox. Let's say if using Microsoft browser. Okay, this one is Microsoft browser. Okay, you can click three dots up here. You go to history. Okay, select the three dots up here and clear browsing data. Okay, clear browsing data. Time range, change to all time. Okay, all time. Then click clear now. Okay, same thing. Once you clear everything, you need to open a new tab and log in back. Okay. Once you have clear cache, you need to open a new tab. Okay, open a new tab and log into AiHouse backup. Okay. Right, so let's try drag texture after we clear cache. Okay, try drag texture. Okay, so the bug problem is gone already. Okay, you can drag texture to the floor. Okay, every time you can encounter any bug problem, you need to clear cache. Okay, go to history up here and clear cache. Okay, this one, clear browsing data. Alright, so thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. Thank you guys.